Jeep is resurrecting its famous model from its long history, Wagoneer. It will be a large family SUV with 3 roomy and comfortable rows of seats. It'll have a V8 engine which punches 10,000 pounds of towing capacity and luxury interior. The interior is heavy on tech with up to 5 displays, including one for the driver. Rear-wheel drive is standard and 4-wheel drive is optional, as the Wagoneer should go off the roads as well. The air suspension is also optional. The Wagoneer name badge first appeared in 1963, and the same time the Grand Wagoneer was presented as more luxurious SUV. It was also used on a trim level for the Cherokee and Grand Cherokee models in the 1990s. It appears that the Series 2 premium trim is the one to purchase. It gives you an additional 22-inch wheels, extra infotainment displays to passenger and rear passengers as well, a panoramic sunroof, a self-parking assistance, a 36-degree camera, and heads-up display for the driver. 5.7-liter V8 engine with 392 horsepower is the stock option, which is combined with 48-volt hybrid system and offers a cylinder deactivation feature to help improve fuel economy. The air suspension provides extra 3.6 inches of ground clearance, and several drive mode selector offers sand mud, snow, and rock modes. A spacious 3-row cabin can be equipped with seating for up to 8 in the Wagoneer, but opting for second-row captain's chairs reduces the seating to 7 seats. The cabin design looks rich, features plenty of standard luxury items such as leather upholstery, 12-direction power-adjustable front-row seats, ambient interior lighting, 3-zone automatic climate control. Cargo space is plenty enough considering that the 3rd row folds down. The interior of the Wagoneer is filled mostly with screens, with a 10.1-inch infotainment display in the center and a 10.3-inch digital gauge display for the driver's attention. The front seat passenger can have their own display as optional, 10.3-inch unit integrated in the dashboard that provides infotainment and navigation. The Uconnect 5 software allows passengers and users to access all sorts of apps and features, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, navigation, Amazon Fire TV, and Alexa, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. If you upgrade to top-spec Series 3 trim version, you will enjoy a 19-speaker stereo system equipment from audio specialist Macintosh. If you liked the video, feel free to like and subscribe to see more awesome videos. Thanks for watching.